In today's digital world, protecting your online accounts is more important than ever. Introducing two-factor authentication, a powerful security measure that adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication requires you to provide two pieces of evidence to verify your identity. Let's walk through the process of setting up two-factor authentication on your favorite platforms. Step 1. Open the security settings of your chosen platform. Step 2. Locate the two-factor authentication option. Step 3. Follow the instructions to enable two-factor authentication. Repeat these steps for all your important online accounts to ensure maximum security. Remember, using two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of defense against hackers. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to safeguard your online accounts.